In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix messages not sending in Microsoft Teams. First, let's restart Teams completely, because in a lot of cases the app is still running in the background even after you close the main window. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen and find the small upward arrow on the taskbar. Click that arrow to open the system tray. In that tray, look for the Microsoft Teams icon. Once you see it, right-click the icon, and then click Quit Teams. Now reopen Microsoft Teams. You can launch it from the Start menu or click it from your taskbar if it's pinned there. Give it a few moments to load fully. Once the app is open again, go back to your chat and try sending a message. If the message goes through now, the issue was just a stuck background process. If it still isn't sending, the next thing to do is sign out and sign back in. In Teams, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture or your initials if no picture is set. In the menu that opens, click Sign Out. Wait for Teams to return to the sign-in screen. Now reopen Teams if it closes automatically. You'll either see a saved account you can click, or you may see an option to create or sign in with another account. Choose the option that matches what you see. If you need to type your email, click the email field and enter your email address carefully. Take a second here and make sure there are no extra spaces or typing mistakes. Then click Next. On the password screen, enter your password and continue signing in. Once you're back inside Teams, let your chats load completely before testing anything. After the chat list appears, open the conversation that was failing and try sending your message again. If messages are still not sending, reset the Teams app from Windows Settings. Press Windows +I to open Settings. In the left sidebar, click Apps. On the right side, click Installed Apps. At the top, click the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. As you type Microsoft, you should start seeing matching apps appear. Finish typing Teams so the correct app is easy to spot. When Microsoft Teams appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to it, then choose Advanced Options. Scroll down until you reach the Reset section. In that area, click Reset. Windows will ask you to confirm, so click Reset again. This clears the app data and can fix corrupted settings that stop messages from sending properly. Now open Microsoft Teams again. Since the app was reset, you may need to sign in one more time. Enter your email address, continue to the next screen, then enter your password and complete the sign-in. After that, wait while your chats and account data load back in. Once everything is visible, test your message again. Another important fix is making sure Teams is updated. Open Microsoft Teams. In the top right corner next to your profile picture, click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, click Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click About Teams. This area shows your current version, and if an update is available, Teams will usually start downloading it automatically. Let the update finish if one is found. After it updates, don't just close the window normally. Go back to the bottom right corner of the taskbar, click the upward arrow, find the Teams icon in the system tray, right-click it and choose Quit Teams. Then open Teams again fresh. Once it reloads, try sending the message one more time. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the problem is still there, the last and strongest fix is to completely reinstall Teams and remove any leftover local app files. Start by pressing Windows +I again to open Settings. Click Apps in the left sidebar, then click Installed Apps at the top of the list. Use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams slowly so the app is easy to find in the results. Once you see Microsoft Teams, click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall when Windows asks. Let the removal process finish completely before moving on. Next, press Windows +R to open the Run box. In the field, type %local app data, %\packages /ms teams _8wekyb3d8bwe. After entering that path, press Enter. If the folder opens, that means some local files are still there. If you get an error instead, that just means the folder was already removed during the uninstall, which is fine. If the folder does open, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside it. Then click the trash icon, or press Delete under keyboard to remove all remaining files in that folder. This step is important because leftover cache and package data can keep the same issue coming back even after reinstalling. Now open your web browser and go to microsoft.com/microsoftteams/download-app. On that page, click Download Teams. When the installer finishes downloading, run it and let the installation complete. Once Microsoft Teams opens again, sign in with your account. If you need to type your email address, enter it carefully, then continue. On the next screen, type your password and finish the login. Give the app time to sync and load your chats. After everything appears normally, open the conversation you were testing and try sending a message again. At this point, one of these fixes will usually solve the problem. The quickest ones are restarting Teams and signing out, while resetting or reinstalling helps when the app data is damaged. If your messages are now sending normally, you're all set.